Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's video. During this week's video, we're going to be unboxing the Nikon 800mm lens for the mirrorless cameras, so stay tuned. Alright, welcome back, and during this week's episode, we are going to be unboxing the new Nikon 800mm lens that I just got from B&H Photo and Video. I did get a used version, saved me quite a bit of money that way. One of the things that I do when I'm buying used equipment, I'm looking for the condition it's in, and B&H always does a really good job of letting you know what their condition is. And in this case, it was considered a 9+, so about as good as it gets. So hopefully that's what we'll find out. I haven't opened it yet, so we'll find out together whether or not it's in that good of a condition. But if you can get one that's used, it's always a really good way of saving some money. All right, so let's begin. So obviously comes all packaged up and ready for shipping. And just gonna use my box cutter to open up my box. This is something that requires an adult signature when you are getting it shipped to you, so make sure you're home when you have it shipped. But came in just 2 days from when I bought it, and B&H gives you free shipping, so gotta love that. All right, so obviously the receipt in there, which is good, and then this thing, oh my god, it's beautiful. Comes obviously bubble wrap, but it comes in this big case. So look at that nice big beautiful case, just looking good. All right, so if you watched one of my older videos, you'll see that I have already reviewed this. I had Nikon loan me this lens a few months ago. I really liked it, so I decided I really needed to own it. And I got such a good deal with it being used. So, like I said, it comes in this really nice, beautiful case. Good for transporting it. And then it's all sealed up in here. So it has a strap. That's really good. These are all really important things when you are getting used stuff. So here is some padding, some bubble wrap, and B&H does a really good job. I would prefer if they had locked it in there like it's supposed to, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. So, all right, let's open this sucker up. All right, look at this. Beautiful. So this is my very first prime lens for telephoto. I usually use a zoom lens. 180 to 600 millimeter is my current lens. I love that the 800 is going to give me some really good reach. That way I don't have to get too close to some of my wildlife, things like bears, sandhill cranes, stuff like that. It is an f6.3, so it's pretty good for 800 millimeters. 6.3 is pretty darn good. So that's great. It does. You'll see here, you've got the autofocus, manual focus, full, and 10 meters. And yeah, it doesn't have a traditional cap. That's something that they did differently. You have this soft cap here that has a drawstring. Opens it up. All right. Of course, this is where you're going to attach your tripod. When you are using a 800 millimeter, a lot of times you're going to be using a tripod just for stability. It is very light. I mean, not too bad. But yeah, so you're going to have this locking hood. Unlock it. Yeah, look at this. I will say I saved $1,000 getting this used. It looks completely brand new. So we'll have to test it out, make sure it works, but it looks pretty good. So yeah, you're gonna flip that around, and there you go. Absolutely wonderful. So you do have a strap for it, so you can carry it around like that. All little lenses have their own strap, but an absolute beauty. So thank you, B&H. Thank you for whoever decided to sell this lens to B&H so that I can buy it used, save some cash, and I'm really excited to play around with it. So hopefully I'll be able to share some of those pictures soon. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Tune in next week, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. I'd love to hear any comments you have. If you've ever used this lens or you're curious about it, I'd love to answer any questions. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.